1. You will not be punished for your anger, you will be punished by your anger. 2. Just as a candle cannot burn without fire, men cannot live without a spiritual life. 3. What we think, we become. 4. Chaos is inherent in all compounded things. Strive on with diligence. 5. In a controversy, the instant we feel anger, we have already ceased striving for the truth and have begun striving for ourselves. 6. I never see what has been done, I only see what remains to be done. 7. He who gives away shall have real gain. He who subdues himself shall be free. He shall cease to be a slave of passions. The righteous man casts off evil, and by rooting out lust, bitterness, and illusion do we reach nirvana. 8. To be idle is a short road to death, and to be diligent is a way of life. Foolish people are idle, wise people are diligent. 9. Let my skin and sinews and bones dry up, together with all the flesh and blood of my body. I welcome it, but I will not move from this spot until I have attained the supreme and final wisdom. 10. Of those beings who live in ignorance, shut up and confined, as it were, in an egg, I have first broken the eggshell of ignorance and alone in the universe obtained the most exalted universal Buddhahood. 11. The wise ones fashion speech with their thought, sifting it as grain is sifted through a sieve. 12. The virtues, like the muses, are always seen in groups. A good principle was never found solitary in any breast. 13. The foolish man conceives the idea of self. The wise man sees there is no ground on which to build the idea of self. Thus he has a right conception of the world and well concludes that all compounds amassed by sorrow will be dissolved again, but the truth will remain. 14. It is better to conquer yourself than to win 1,000 battles. Then the victory is yours. It cannot be taken from you, not by angels or by demons, heaven or hell. 15. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. 16. There are only 2 mistakes one can make along the road to truth: not going all the way and not starting. 17. We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thoughts. With our thoughts we make the world. 18. Hatred does not cease by hatred, but only by love. This is the eternal rule. 1. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. 19. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. 20. Unity can only be manifested by the binary. Unity itself and the idea of unity are already 2. 21. A woman of the world is anxious to exhibit her form and shape, whether walking, standing, sitting, or sleeping. Even when represented as a picture, she desires to captivate with the charms of her beauty, and thus to rob men of their steadfast heart. 22. Work out your own salvation. Do not depend on others. 23. He who loves 50 people has 50 woes. He who loves no one has no woes. 24. However many holy words you read, however many you speak, what good will they do you if you do not act upon them? 25. A jug fills drop by drop. 26. I do not believe in a fate that falls on men however they act, but I do believe in a fate that falls on them unless they act. 27. When one has the feeling of dislike for evil, when one feels tranquil, one finds pleasure in listening to good teachings. When one has these feelings and appreciates them, one is free of fear. 28. Don't rush anything. When the time is right, it'll happen. 29. To understand everything is to forgive everything. 30. When it hurts, observe. Life is trying to teach you something. 31. Change is never painful. Only resistance to change is painful. 32. One moment can change a day, one day can change a life, and one life can change the world.